Of all the world's wonders, none is stranger than the meeting of two genies. Let's watch, listen, and see what these fantastic creatures have to teach us.
So anyway, as I was saying to you... Ennio?
Ginny!
Is that you?
Is that you?
Long time!
Oh.
How are you? How are you? Good to see you.
I'm great, man.
All right. You put on some...
My, now this is fascinating. Doing spells, perhaps.
You know...
I've been getting a lot of Net 10 phones around here.
All right, whatever, Ricky Martin meets the Incredible Hulk. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it.
Because once you get a Net 10 phone, everything can happen.
It's true. It's true. He's right.
Wait,
What's the problem?
where's my girl?
Your girl?
You took my girl.
I never would take your girl. I'm sorry.
I don't see my girl. Where's my girl?
I don't know. Take it easy. All right, whatever, Ricky Martin meets the Incredible Hulk. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it.
Because once you get a Net 10 phone, everything can happen.
It's true. It's true. He's right.
I'm going that way.
All righty then. See you later, Protein Shake.
And away we go. Truly incredible stuff. This just goes to show that you never can tell what will happen when genies meet. Do join us next time on Net10's Wonderful World, when we'll explore another phenomenon of nature. A genie with the first smartphone for under $60. Same channel, same time, or visit net10.com to learn more.